to the MEVIX Learning Lab. Come illuminate your mind.
Welcome to the video series on VSS version 2. In this segment, we are going to cover warp and blending controls. In our example, we have two projectors. We will work just with projector 1 for now. We select projector 1 and open the geometry menu on the right-hand side. You can temporarily hide the left and right menus by clicking on the small arrow alongside the menu pane. This exposes the workspace underneath. Clicking the small arrow on the right re-exposes the menu pane. To begin warping, you need to select a geometry memory location in the projector. Be aware that any modifications you make are not stored in the projector until you press the Store button. Set the number of sections for your grid. We will use a simple 2x2 grid for this example. By clicking on Basic Adjust, you have access to simple warp controls like Four Corner and Keystone. On the workspace, you can grab a corner node and move it. This will update real-time on the connected projector. Now we will go to the second projector. Notice that the software reminds us to save the current changes to the projector we are working on. Again, we will choose the warp memory location in the projector. Then make some basic four-corner adjustments. Take note that we are clicking on the nodes first and then clicking again to move them. For finer adjustments, you can enter numeric values or incrementally using the up and down arrows. Again, as we leave the warping for projector 2, we are reminded to save our changes to the permanent memory in the projector. Now let's move to the blending controls. The first step is to turn the blending on. For projector 1, we will be blending the right side of the image. Turning projector markers on gives us visual markers on the screen that represent the start and width of the blend. Moving to the second projector, again we enable edge blending, and this time we will be making adjustments to the left side of the image. After turning the markers off on both units, we can see the result. An extra step you can do to improve blending is to adjust black level compensation. This is where you adjust the areas outside the blend zone. Basically, what you are doing is increasing the black level to match the area where the two projectors overlap. Even with no content, projectors will still emit light. This overlapping light is what causes the blend zones to have a raised black level. Start with sending black signal or test pattern to all projectors. Then adjust the controls until the unblended regions match the blended zone in elevated black. Ideally, this should be done in an area with no lights on. The video shown is just to illustrate how the image is changing in reaction to moving the controls. Black level needs to be adjusted on each projector of your blend. When you're done adjusting, remember to turn off the black test patterns. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.
MEVIX.
Panasonic.